How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. So first of all, open the app and then tap on the chat of the person that you would like to block. In the top right, there's three dots. Press that and then come down and press more at the very bottom. Here you can see the second option down says block. So press that and then it'll ask you to confirm. It'll say this person won't be able to message or call you and they won't know you blocked or reported them. So you also have the option to report them if you want. So when you're happy, just press block. And as you'll see, the person has now been blocked. On their end, this person will still be able to message you, but the messages won't come through. And your profile picture will also change the default on their phone. So that's how they'll know that you've blocked them. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.